What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today, I'm going to be installing this NRG handbrake cover. So I ordered this about like maybe 4 weeks ago. Took a while to get here, but it looks like this, which is also matching my stick shift. So it's gonna be something like that, or like, I'm guessing like that. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty sick. So let's get to it. For this install, all we're going to need is a heat gun and a drill. So what you want to do is heat up the handbrake until the adhesive that they got this thing on is loosened. So just like that, it's out. Didn't take too long. Just had to break the adhesive. And you can unscrew this top right here. So next, you want to use a drill to mark down where you're gonna leave the handle, because it looks like if you don't mark it up and have somewhere stable to stay, every time you pop it, this is gonna go up if it doesn't have anything strong to hook to. So that's the reason why we're drilling the holes. Well, we're not drilling them really big, we're just drilling them really small, so at least the screws have something to latch on. Good. Since there's a third hole, but it's on the bottom, but there's an opening on the bottom, so there's no point in actually like putting a screw through there. Might as well save that for extra. So let's bring this down. Let's get the hardware that it comes with. Just need 2 of them. Start with one. This one. And that's it. Just a simple mod can give you a better interior look, just like this. So guys, I'm going to also debadge my Subi because I don't like the badges. There's a variety of things you can use. You can also use dental floss. Now I'm going to put some Goo Gone on it and leave it on there for a minute or two. So if you don't want to mess up your paint, use a plastic razor blade, I guess. You can find these at any of your local auto parts stores. Alright, now that that's done, just clean it, get it as clean as possible, and should be it.
Dome 5280.